The Kapalong College of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology stands as the first local college in the Davao region, offering accessible higher education to the community. Established to address the need for specialized training in agriculture and technology, the college equips students with practical skills that directly contribute to the region's economic growth and agricultural sustainability. By providing education close to home, Kapalong College also reduces barrier for students from rural areas, giving them the opportunity to pursue meaningful careers without leaving their communities. This institution is not just a school. It's a catalyst for progress, empowering local youth and building a more sustainable future for Davao region.